You that two simple indicators, the one you probably know, can actually catch the monster move in forex market, especially swing trade. Now this is like a magic, but guys, watch this video to the end. I am Mr. Joshua that teach forex trader how to trade a smart way, and in this video I'm going to be unveiling to you two powerful indicators, one which you know mostly and then the other which you might not be using, how you can use the two of them to actually catch swing trade the best way. Now the two indicators that I'll be showing you and how you can combine them is the moving average and the relative strength index. That's the RSI. I'll be showing you the settings and how you can move about it, how you trade it, the entry and exit, and how you can take advantage of it to make profit, understanding momentum and liquidity in the market, how you can spot reversal, and how you can actually get your take profit. Now watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video, because you skipping any part of this video will actually make you to be confused. Now if you have not subscribed to this channel before, do well to subscribe to this channel. Take the advantage of this particular time to do it, and then like this video and give me comment. Let me know that I am making impact through this video. I want us to understand that 80% of forex traders don't understand how to use this indicator very well. They don't understand how to use this indicator very well. Now most traders use the moving average indicator, or rather use the RSI, but they don't combine the two of them together. Now I will be showing you how you can combine the two of them and make profit. Now moving average actually tells you direction and momentum of the market. Moving average, let me show you now. Moving average tells you or showed you the direction of the market or the momentum of the market. Now we are using two moving average. We are using two moving average. We are using the 50 moving average, which is, I will leave it as exponential, and the color will be blue. Method exponential apply to close, and then the period will be what, 50. Now I'm going to leave it like this. Now this actually shows you the momentum of the market, that's the direction of the market, while the RSI tells you when the momentum is about to reverse. Are you getting me? Now when the momentum is about to reverse, which means when there will be a weak momentum, now it is the work of the RSI for it to show you the reversal point. Now, but only if you know these hidden signals and this strategy that I'm about to show you. Now when you combine them, you get high probability entries in trading the market with tight stop loss, and also explosive take profit, which I'm about to show you. This is not a scalping strategy. This is not a day trading. This is swing trading on a standard account. This is a swing trade. Now we are going to be, like I said, we are going to be using two moving average. Now let me apply this moving average. Okay, now this 50 is going to be simple moving average. The 50 is going to be simple moving average. Look at it, as simple as this. Now the next moving average we are applying is the 20 moving average, and the 20 moving average will be our exponential moving average. Apply also to close, and the color is going to be red. The color is going to be red. The color is going to be red. Now you click on what? You click on save. That's the settings. Now look at how it is very, very nice and attractive. Now telling you that the momentum has changed. Now look at it. Look at it. Powerful indicators. These two indicators are powerful. Look at them. They are powerful indicators. Now let's move further so that you will be able to know. Now for bullish setup, that's when we are going for a buy. Bullish setup, when we are going for a buy, price must be above the 50 moving average, which is definitely going to give us a signal that the 20 moving average will also cross above what? The 50 moving average. Now look at it as simple as this. Now let me get my brush now, so I will show you. Now this is our 50 moving average here. The red one is our 20 moving average. Now for you to know that you are in a bullish setup, price must be above what? The 50 moving average. And look at it, price is above what? The 50 moving average, making a slope. And then look at what happened here. There was a cross. There was a cross of the 20 to what? To 50. There was a cross upward, signifying what? Momentum in the market. Momentum in the market. Now if it is for the bearish setup, which is for the sell, price must be below the 50 moving average. Look at it here. Price must be below what? The 50 moving average here. You see price below the 50 moving average. And look at what happened. Price coming down to touch the 20 moving average. Touch the 20 moving average. You get it? Yes, you have to get this thing exactly as I am teaching you. You have to get it. Yes. So now we're going to introduce our RSI. And I'll show you how you can use this RSI very well. Not just about support and resistance or overbought, oversold. No. Now RSI is actually a panel whereby we can actually identify divergence plus pullback zone in the RSI. So I'm going to show you how you can recognize a pullback zone in the RSI and also divergence, how you can work with the divergence. Now the RSI have these levels, which is actually the 70 and the 30. The RSI, look at it, the 70 and the 30, that's the level. Now we are going to be using that. Now RSI must be above the 50 moving 50 level. So we are going to be introducing, well, let me increase this, introduce the 50 moving 50 levels, which is the trend. Just follow me. You enjoy this video, you are learning a lot. Now I'm going to give this to trend. I'm going to give this name to buy. For buy, I'm going to say what? Buy. And I'm going to change this to sell. Yes, so this is how it looks like. Now this is how it is. Now rule number 1, RSI must be above the 50 in uptrend and below the 50 in downtrend. When it is above the 50, here is uptrend. When it is below here is downtrend. That's rule number 1. Then look for RSI pullback to 45 or to 55. There should be a pullback to 45 or 55. That's for you to have a good setup for a buy. Now we are going to add it. Now 55 and 45. 55. Let me put set buy. Just follow me. 55, and then we have what? 45. We buy. We get it? We buy. Now set buy. Now look at it. So guys, the 45 and the 55 is where price normally pull back to, in order to give us a clear divergence for us to trade. So if you look at here, this has been an uptrend. Look at price. This has been an uptrend. You see, many traders will not tell you this strategy, will not tell you this truth. This has been an uptrend. Look at it. It has been an uptrend. And look at it. Price has been on that 45 for a long time. and then coming back to what? 55. That is a proof that price is only pulling back. Price is only what? Pulling back to continue the trend. That is a confirmation of bullish divergence. Now price make lower lows, RSI make higher lows, reversing incoming to the market. You need to put this at the back of your mind. Put it at the back of your mind. When you are buying, this is the rule. This is the rule. Now, when you are selling also, it will be at 55. It will also be at 55. Now, let me rather upgrade this. Let me rather upgrade this to what? Set to sell rather. Let me upgrade this to sell. Yes. Because price if you are selling, price will pull back to 55 or the 50 before you continue the sell. So in other way around, you understand what I mean. Now, this is how to do it. This how to use this fully now. Now, for example, you are going for a buy. That's you are going bullish. Price must be above the 50 moving average. 20 moving average must cross above 50 moving average. RSI must pull back to 45 or the 55 region. Then you enter on close of confirmation candle. Once there is close of confirmation candle, you enter your trade. How will you set your stop loss? Now below the most recent swing low, you set your stop loss. For example, the recent swing low is this particular place here. The recent swing low is this particular place. Now below the recent swing low, you set your stop loss below the 50 moving average. Just that will be more tighter, so it will be at this particular place. So if you do that, you set your stop loss very well. Now this can go to 1:2, 1:3 reward. It can go even beyond 1:2. You understand? So 1:2, 1:3 reward. Now, for example, this is your first take profit. This can be your second take profit. Now, this is actually how you can use this particular strategy to trade the financial market or the forex market. Now, what are the common mistakes to avoid? Because there must be mistakes to avoid. There must be mistakes to be avoided. The first mistake to avoid is you need to avoid trading against the 50 moving average. Now, when you trade against the 50 moving average, like for example, now price is above and you are trading going down. You are not trading upward here, going up. You are trading against the moving average. It means that you are making a great mistake. The second mistake you are making is entering on RSI alone without the confirmation of the moving average. Just because your RSI is below here or is above here, and then your moving average is not confirm it, and you are entering, you are making a great mistake. You are making a great mistake. And one of the mistake again is holding through earning for a long time without checking the structure. Now, when you earning, you should be able to check the structure so that it will not come back and close your trade for you. So you use your stop loss and check your structure so that you end in profit. And then the last common mistake is averaging down on losers. Averaging down on losers. When you begin to make those that have lost, or even the losses that you have, as a yardstick for your trade, you are affecting your psychology. You are affecting your psychology. Now, That is my moving average plus RSI combo in this video, and I hope that this video has actually helped you so well. If you find this video interesting, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video, a strategy such as this, and also click the subscribe button and like this video. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead of you. I remain Mr. Joshua, that teach forex trader how to trade the smart way. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.